so today I'm doing orange beef, and I'm actually gonna be using rehydrated seitan pieces. They are super cheap, super affordable, very shelf stable, and within a couple of ingredients, you guys have yourselves a really nice Chinese takeout meal. So I hope you all enjoy. Okay, so I'm gonna start off by rehydrating 1.5 cups of these dry soy meat chunks, and I'll put the links down below for them. They are super convenient, with 2 cups of mushroom broth. Recipe is all gonna be down below. I'm gonna leave it aside for right around 30 minutes, just until everything gets nice and soft before I dredge it in cornstarch. So the frying part of this is gonna be super simple because we're gonna be using an air fryer for it. So I'm gonna put in about 1/4 cup of cornstarch along with 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. And you just wanna make sure that the vegetable oil thoroughly coats all of the little meat pieces and the cornstarch, and that's how you can get something really crispy in the air fryer. And if you have one of those little oil spritzers, that's even better because you actually don't need a lot of oil, but you just need a little bit around each piece. So in a 360-degree oven, it goes for right around 6 to 7 minutes, and you get nice, crunchy pieces of meat without ever needing to fry. So while those meat pieces crisp up, it's time to make this a really easy orange sauce. So I have some soy sauce, some rice vinegar, some rice wine, the usual suspects. So recipe is all gonna be down below. I end up using tangerines because I had them instead of oranges, and that'll provide that really nice backdrop to this dish. And you end it with some cornstarch and water. It's just really easy. But with the cornstarch, you want to start with a little liquid first and then whisk it until everything is smooth, and then you add in the rest of the water. And that's how you can get this sauce nice and smooth before you pour everything in. I think you all heard how crispy those meat pieces were, and that did not require frying and kind of grossing up your kitchen. So what I'm gonna do, medium heat. You don't wanna get it too high because then the sauce kind of clumps up. You wanna just throw in your sauce and your meat pieces. And really, it just takes like 2 to 3 minutes to get the sauce to be thick. And I cook it a little bit longer because sometimes the meat can get a little bit dry in the oven just because it's been rehydrated and then you toast it up again. So it does need a little bit of time to just rehydrate from that sauce. I top it off with some scallions, some strips of orange or tangerine peel, and then of course some roasted sesame, and your dish is done. This dish is crazy good and crazy easy. I am convinced that anybody can make them. Anyways, I hope you all have enjoyed this recipe. I thought these kind of Chinese takeout recipes, it'd be perfect for the New Year, it's perfect for New Year's Eve, it's perfect for veganuary, honestly, anytime. As usual, if you want to see more recipes like this, please remember to hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you guys all again next time. Bye!